Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur, and we're at Bourbon RV and looking at a 2022 Jayco Eagle 28.5 RSTS. Here you can see the floor plan. We have 3 slides on this RV. The reduced price is $66,995. The contact information as well as the URL for all new and used inventory at Bourbon RV is listed below as well. Here you see the outdoor kitchen. And I really like the way the door opens so you can get in out of the weather if you need to. That's a Jayco bottle opener mounted right there. And then really nicely built out on the inside with the metal drawer and the metal workstation, as well as the cubbies or shelves above, as well as the dormitory style refrigerator. Great look and functionality of the outdoor kitchen on this RV. As we back up and take a three-quarter shot from the backside, you can see the pre-wired for a backup camera, the stairs or ladder to the rooftop. Here's one of the 3 slides. We have a slide on this side and then 2 on the off-camp side. There you see the badging, the 28.5 RSTS badging. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur, and thanks for watching this video. Please consider hitting the thumbs up button if you find this video helpful and or enjoyable. YouTube will put this video out in front of more folks if you do so and help us grow this channel. If you have any comments or questions, drop them below, and also check out our Instagram and Facebook pages. You can also leave me a message there. Lastly, I'm trying to improve my game, so feel free to give me feedback, make requests. Anything that you think would be helpful, drop that below and hit the subscribe button on your way out. Thanks again, and here we go. So as we step up inside the RV, the first thing we are met with is the center island for the kitchen. This is, I really like this floor plan. Normally you walk in and the dinette and the seating area is immediately to your left. This is the opposite, which in my opinion, if you're sitting on the couch or sitting at the dining and someone comes to the door, that way you can see them very easily and accept them in or head on out to the campfire. We have cabinets and drawers all over the place, so there's plenty of storage. Let me give you some of the vitals. This sleeps for 3 slides. The length is 32.9. Exterior width is 8.1 and the exterior height 12.5. Really flat screen TV, fireplace, really a great floor plan in my opinion. Now check out the kitchen. We have the smaller refrigerator and freezer. So this allows you to boondock. You know, if you have a residential size and style refrigerator freezer, unless you have solar or a generator, you can't go boondocking. So what's your opinion? Would you prefer the residential style refrigerator and freezer, or do you prefer this style that allows you the flexibility to go boondocking? I guess which camping do you do more? Do you go to a campsite and use the facilities, or do you like boondocking? Great question. Leave your comments below. Here's your fresh, your gray, and your black. Fresh is 43, gray is 75.5, and black is 43. Cutting board and the drip rack for your sink. Remember, pro tip, only use one side of the cutting board. That way you have a nice clean side at all times. 3-burner cooktop. Really a nice microwave. This oven is very impressive. Love the clean look. No handle, just underneath you. There is a handle there, but the handle is not seen. Nice small window above, so if you are cooking and you want to get some fresh air, get a cross vent. There's a couple of USB ports. Center island with a nice farmer sink and a swan neck faucet. Here on your theater seating, you have the hidden compartment for your remotes, or as I always like to say, throw your cell phones in there for a long weekend and without a care in the world. Nice sized pantry that also allows you place for your brooms, your mops, And then above the pantry is more storage. And again, this ceiling, that's 8 feet at my fingertips. So that's one of those cabinets that you don't use very often, but it's available when you need it. More cabinets and more storage. Love the smoke glass look. And then here, this shelf, you can flip it up. It has a magnet there, the metal right there, and then there's a magnet on the wall, as you see here. You can flip that up, and then that way you can hang jackets or whatever you want off the drunken octopus that's in a boxing match. Nice place for shoes or boots underneath the cabinet space there. As we head upstairs to the bathroom and the bedroom, get a load of this sink in the Jayco. Beautiful bright blue. What are your thoughts on that bright blue cabinet in the bathroom? I personally really like it. To me, it sets off the entire bathroom. It really pops. You have a nice stand-up shower, radius, so you have the half moon. This door on the medicine cabinet, that magnet is amazingly strong. That door is not coming open when you're traveling. So really a safe medicine cabinet if you have smaller ones. And then right off the bathroom and into the bedroom, we have more storage, more cabinet space, and then more drawer space under the window. We have bureaus or wardrobes here, so you can hang up your hang-up clothes, mirrored, so it really extends the look and feel of the bedroom. And then you have drawers here underneath the window. So we have a queen-size bed here with underbed storage, as you see right here. That's the box for your flat screen TV, and then your electrical cable for your hookup. I believe I failed to mention the refrigerator is an 8 cubic foot. A lot of times the refrigerators are 6 cubic foot. This is an 8 cubic foot. Furnace is a 35,000 BTU furnace. Water heater is 6 gallon with gas and electric. Awning outside was 14 feet with LED lighting. Here's your furnace and AC unit. Your AC is a 15,000 BTU AC unit. Let's cut through the bathroom on the way out. A radius shower. I couldn't think of the word for that. As we take another spin down to the family room, gathering room. So what are your thoughts on this RV, the floor plan, the opposite floor plan? So you have your dining and your chair, your theater seating on the opposite side. Do you prefer that, or do you prefer the other way? Thanks again for watching.